Introduction to Offline Learning in Duolingo.
Duolingo offers a convenient way to learn languages on the go. With offline lessons, you can study even without an internet connection. This guide will walk you through the steps to download language lessons for offline use, so you can keep your learning streak going anytime, anywhere.
Check your Duolingo account and app version.
Before downloading lessons, make sure you're logged into your Duolingo account and using the latest version of the app. Offline lesson downloads are available primarily for Duolingo Plus or Super subscribers. If you are using the free version, offline features may be limited or unavailable.
Accessing download options in the Duolingo app.
Open the Duolingo app and select the language course you want to study. Look for a download icon or offline mode option, usually located near the top of the course screen or in the course settings. Tap this option to start the download process for your lessons.
Downloading lessons for offline use.
Once you tap the offline option, the app will begin downloading available lessons. The number of lessons you can save depends on your device's storage and your subscription type. After the download completes, these lessons will be accessible even without an internet connection.
Studying offline and managing downloads.
To use Duolingo offline, just open the app and access your downloaded lessons as usual. Any progress you make will sync to your account the next time you're online. You can manage or remove offline lessons through your app settings to free up space or update your downloads.
Tips for a smooth offline learning experience.
Ensure your device has enough storage before downloading lessons. Update your Duolingo app regularly for the best offline performance. If you encounter issues, reconnect to the internet to let the app sync and refresh your downloaded lessons. Happy learning wherever you are.